Mutant race car going to war. Full episodes. I'm going to fight you. Whoa! Oh! Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Whoa! Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I better make something. A wall. Ha ha ha. Let's choose something first. Haha, a garbage can. Here I can make some walls. Ha 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 ha. Let's see what's in here. This. I think this. Time to make it. Let's help me make it. Okay. Yes, let's make it. And then use this. And then you just connect it here and here. Just connect it. Make sure it's already well. Like this. And then we just need to make some sticks. This. And then this. You're almost done. Great job. And then you just have to flip it and have a wall. Yay! And then I just need to make my own thing to fight it. Let's see. I need to make some guns. Like this. And then we need to make another gun. Like this. And then this is 2 guns. Put it already in row. And this is mine. We still need guns. Like this, you can put it on the wall. Like this, then this. Did you know Tammy and the supers, I think they are moving into the river. Somewhere in the cave. So we better not to disturb Tammy and the other supers. Let me think about it. Like this. Some guns. Lego. Yep, awesome. let's make it. And then I'll fight. Yes, like this. You can make it yourself. I'm going to rest. Like this. Yes, you can make it yourself. More. That's it. Here you can add more materials on it and build the wall. Let's build it. But the wall needs to be strong. So let's make something. We didn't have cars. So but I am a car, so we didn't have, so we did, so we can have cars. We just make a wall and to fight. If that's it, I need to make my home. Like super warriors, they are also making us in a home and some guns. Like this. And my wall is finished. I'm going to fight Baddy on roof. This. I think like this. I better take some. Here the guns. Like this. And few more guns. This. Yes, great job. I think it's more like this. And this is a strong wall. Thank you for helping me building this wall. You can build more at your home. Like this. Yep, and let's fight with the Baddy. I'm on a fight and I'm all ready to roll. What? Okay, don't worry, we have much time and much hands. Mutant race car to the rescue. Wow! Run! We're going to run. Alright, boom. Wow. Hey, I'm not in there. Okay, time for the final test. Whoa, we need to repeat it. Yeah. You ruined our dead car. Hey. We need to rebuild it. Wait! What a shame. Right. Wow! Did I get out of it? Yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow, the card is much broken. We need to repair it. Whoa. Nonsensible. What? Ah, my plane craft. Nonsensible. But you didn't have a chance. Whoa! Wow! My wall is not strong too. Maybe I'll make it stronger than I thought. Like this. Whoa! You really embrace. Yup. That's what I call raise it, play it, test the baddies. Whoa, 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 whoa. We will finish at the next time. Let's go on. Yeah. So that's all. So subscribe for more awesome videos for season 5. Mould King Restore.